Deep in the forest where tall trees grow, lots of animals live. Come say hello. An owl in the treetop hooting so bright. It calls in the still of the night. A deer with spots so gentle and shy leaps through the trees as the birds fly by. It nibbles on grass and listens with care, always alert for friends everywhere. A sneaky red fox, clever and quick, runs through the leaves with a jump and a flick. It hides in its den when the night is near, but out in the day it prances with cheer. The big brown bear loves honey so sweet, licking its paws it's such a treat. It sleeps in a cave when winter is here, but wakes in the spring with a mighty cheer. A little squirrel so speedy and small scurries up trees, not scared at all. It gathers some nuts and hides them away for a yummy snack on a chilly day. A tiger so strong with stripes bold and bright moves through the trees, a powerful sight. It prowls in the jungle, swift and free, the king of the forest, wild as can be. A happy hippo near the river so wide, splashing around in the waters inside. It wiggles its ears and gives a big yawn, then takes a nap till the break of dawn. Now you've met these friends so grand, owl, deer, fox, and bear so tan, squirrel, tiger, and hippo too, living in the forest just for you.